Professor D Piston, and welcome to another vlog with Generation Speed. So we are right now in Bangalore and attending one of the cool event over here. This is called Raw Culture, and I mean there is everything happening over here. So this event is right now happening at a track called GP1 Performance Zone. So I'm right now at the entrance of the event. So let's get in and let's just check out every cars at the car show, and let's go to the drift zone, check out what all cars have been drifting. And special guest over here is Mr. Imran Majid with his Imzilla. So we'll definitely go check that out as well, and watch the video till the end and enjoy. I think from over here, as you can see, all the things are happening. Oh, I guess I spotted the Imzilla over there. So while drifting is happening over there, guys, we got some amazing modified cars right here. So this is a modified Honda City. I mean, completely modified. We have even featured this in our channel. Let me just get closer and just show it to you guys. Look at this. We got a bonnet exit exhaust system with pops and bangs tube. We got a massive air filter and a lot of manifolds. I mean, just look at it, guys, how clean it is. That's amazing. And over here also we got some amazing seats. And as you guys can see, the car is also lowered as the suspension is installed. And it's sick, guys. The car looks absolutely. And right over here we got another amazingly beautifully modified car. As you guys can see, they are modified like a convertible, and it's just cool. And over there we have the race concept Honda City as well, and that is it's as you guys can see, this car is properly built for the track, guys. So Joel Joseph, who owns the race concepts, have built this car. I mean, just check it out, guys. This is beautiful. Check it out, the pops and bangs, guys. All modified cars. Check it out. Beautiful. Right here we have a station wagon Baleno, guys. I mean, this is just insanely rare car. Just look at it. How cool it looks, guys. So this is a station wagon Baleno we have with amazing and beautiful wheels, and we have bunch of other modified cars. I'll just show you guys. I'll just take you guys for a tour. Oh, it started to rain. We are right now in this place where we can literally see the entire track from here. So that's the drift zone. So right now Imran Majid is gonna give giveaways. That means his signed cap, he's gonna give it to the lucky fans. Well, let's find out who the lucky fans are.
By the man himself, the fastest man in India, Imran Majid, everybody. That's number 3. And just know, if you guys do get this, you know, just please take a picture of it. Maybe you're wearing it, maybe you give it to a friend, whatever.
The scene is finally back. The rain has stopped and MC Thrift is performing right now. So guys, check it out. So right here we have the GTI, not just any fake GTI with just you know, the GTI title on it, but it's an actual GTI. We have bunch of amazing cars over here. Just check it out, guys. We have that insanely modified Brezza. It's been one famous car in Bangalore, at least. Look how beautiful this color is, guys. Oh my god. Look at the wheels, look at the color, headlights, everything has been modified. It's been dropped. I mean, look at the ground clearance over here. Oh, this Brezza is also going for the rev battle, I guess. And check it out, guys. It's like a rally spec, you know, a Honda. It's an amazing build as well. Oh, check it out. I guess this car is also going for the rev battle. Crazy. Oh, look at the exhaust. It's not at the rear. Nice. Every car over here is modified. Look at the crowd over here. Oh, look at that flame, guys. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my. We got more amazing modified cars over here. I mean, check out this Swift, guys. So, oh my god, just check out the wrap. Ooh. Check it out, guys. Completely wrapped. Oh, Mr. Barca. I guess he's a Barcelona fan. That's the livery. Yeah, he is a Barcelona fan. That's amazing, guys. Check out the list of modified cars over here, guys. I guess you could not hear my audio. That's because of the rev battle that's been happening over there. So if you just move forward, and we got amazingly. Look at the wrap of these two cars, guys. Fluorescent color. I mean, it looks nice. And there we have the iconic and most famous and fastest Nissan GTR in the country. So that's Imzilla, Wild Child, Imran Majid's Nissan GTR. Everything in this car is carbon fiber, the fastest Nissan GTR in the country. Right now, it was the fastest car in the country, but right now, Sean have, set the India's fastest national record, the track record, with his Audi R8 twin turbo. And right now we could see there are some new stuffs happening with this GTR, and I guess we could expect a comeback from this. I mean, just check it out, guys. Everything that you see from here is a carbon fiber, and of course a parachute. And normal brakes can't stop this car. You need a parachute to stop this car. And just check it out, guys. Wherever you just see, it's made up of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber over here. Look at the wheels. Wherever you see, it's carbon fiber. And that's the cool part about it, guys. This car is absolutely iconic, guys. So guys, check it out. We are in the drift zone of Raw Culture, and we have Pratik Dalal's BMW. I guess he got a new livery on it, and it looks so nice. And we got other cars as well, and we have Harsh from Sportech. Hi, bro.
Hey,
How are you? How's the event?
you catch me everywhere.
Yeah, Generation Speed, Red Bull, and now over here. Crazy. So how's the event? How's the track?
The track is good and it's raining right now.
Yeah,
So-
that's the only problem.
Getting more slippery, but it's fine. It's good.
Yeah, amazing. So how's drifting with all these amazing cars over here?
Drifting is really good. The track is really good.
Crazy. Let's see some more drifting once the rain stops, and we'll have some cool content. So guys, check it out. Harsh have started his drifting. Soon Pratik Dalal is gonna start his drifting too, and it's gonna be lovely. Check it out, guys. Pratik Dalal is also in action with his BMW. Oh my god, check it out. Hi sir!
Hi bro, come in.
Let's do this! Alright, let's go! Oh my god! Doing it effortlessly, guys! Check it out, guys! Woo! Oh my god! That's crazy, guys! That's amazing, sir!
Hope you liked it, bro.
Of course I did. So guys, here we got Mr. Sam Malik.
Yeah, we
Who-
got a disturbance.
No problem. So here we got Sam Malik, who made this Raw Culture event happen over here at GP1 Performance Zone, Bangalore. So Sam, how was the event for you? How did Bangalore welcome Raw Culture?
See, according to my expectations, it was like really good, but it would have been like more great if the weather conditions would be different.
Definitely.
But I mean the turnout was great. Drifting, people enjoyed so much. I mean the music was good, food was good, the cars were good. It's all about the culture, and it's not about me. It's about the team who made this happen, right? So yeah, that's all. I mean, and thanks to Valen, Professor D. Bushton for come here and go make cool content for us. So that's really great. So thank you, bro.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for bringing this amazing event to
man,
Bangalore.
sure.
Something like this is needed over here in India, and it was brilliant. Thank you so
Thanks.
much. So we are right now at end of the video. So every car from here is also left the venue. So time is around 5:30 and the event is over. So as you guys can see, everyone is packing up. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Hope you guys loved the video. I mean, the event was absolutely, I mean, it was too good. For the weather, for the bad weather, for the rain, in spite of all that, people came to the event. That's how the car community in India is growing. And yeah, this has been a wonderful event, and hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video.